Assalamu alaikum. It's your Nomad Consultant here. Anyway, so you probably noticed in my last video, I got the car nice and ready from Lexus. I put a new battery in. You probably also noticed as well that I've actually put some brand new tires. So why, Nomad, are you doing all of these changes to your car? I mean, well, first of all, why I went for Lexus battery, it was actually a good deal. It was about £125. They fit it for you as well. And if I was to get that from Euro Car Parts, it's like I think about 143 after discount. Without a discount, it's like 225. So I might as well get it straight from the manufacturer. So respect to Lexus. And also, they wash your car for you. So I have a nice, clean car ready to go and everything. But anyway, the reason why I'm doing all this is, unfortunately, the time has come for the white Phantom to be put up for sale. So yes, I know it hurt me deep, but I had to do it. But I will tell you the reason why I had to do it is because nowadays with remote working, there's only a need for one car. There's no need for two cars, okay? So I decided to put up the white Lexus for sale, and then afterwards I'm actually going to see how it goes. This time I've gone straight for Auto Trader, paid the money. Let's see how it goes. Now, if you guys recall in other videos with the RX 400, I use Gumtree and Facebook, free platforms, but unfortunately I don't seem to get serious punters out there. So let's see with Auto Trader if it's worth paying or not. Okay, I'll keep you guys posted. Like always, make sure you subscribe, you like, and you follow. Till the next time, peace and love. Take care.